Today's topic for discussion is asexual reproduction in bacteria. Bacteria, these are prokaryotic unicellular organisms with rigid cell wall. And asexual reproduction in bacteria takes place by two important methods, that is by binary fission and by endospore formation. Most of the bacteria reproduce asexually by these two methods. Let us see the binary fission. Asexual reproduction in bacteria by binary fission. In this case, it is the main reproductive process which occurs in bacteria, and in this case the cell division is not mitotic one. Binary fission is a type of a reproduction. It is very common method which occurs during favorable environmental conditions. A bacterial cell simply divides into two equal parts. Binary fission is completed in three stages. First stage, that is DNA replication, takes place in the cell, and second stage, that is DNA partitioning, takes place, that is division of DNA, and third stage of binary fission is cross wall formation. The division is brought about by construction and across the long axis of the cell in middle deepens inward and two cells are formed. Each cell division minutes, and if such rate cells division continues, approximately the 4 into 10 raised to 21 cells would be formed in 24 hours, and in 72 hours 33,000 models of Earth of equal volumes can be produced. Since the death rate is also equally fast due to toxic substances, less than 1% actually remains alive. Since in the cell division the entire parent bacterium is transformed into two daughter bacteria, the bacteria are called immortals or daughter bacteria. This is a binary fission. This is the reproduction of bacteria by binary fission. Simply the cell divided into two and two daughter cells are formed. This is the binary fission. Another asexual reproduction which occurs in bacteria, that is in certain bacteria the endospore formation takes place. And let us see what is endospore formation, asexual reproduction by endospore formation. In this case, a few bacteria are capable to form spores which are formed singly inside the cell. Each bacterial cell produces single endospore. Such spores are called endospores. These endospores are highly resistant and even cannot be killed by boiling for several minutes. Endospores are formed in bacillus type of bacteria or rod-shaped bacteria. Mature endospores are spherical or ellipsoidal or cylindrical in shape and may be present in terminal, subterminal or in the central region. It is covered by thin delicate outer layer which is called spore coat and single or many layers thick composed of material similar to cell wall. During germination, endospore, it imbibes water, acceleration in enzyme action and intake of salts, nutrients occurs. In this way, such endospores are formed inside the bacterial cells which are of bacillus type, and these endospores in favorable condition they germinate and produces bacterium, new bacterium. Okay, this is asexual reproduction by endospore formation. The bacteria also reproduce by sexual reproduction. The sexual reproduction in bacteria takes place by following methods, that is transformation, transduction and conjugation. Let us see the sexual reproduction in bacteria in another presentation. Okay, thank you very much. Save trees, save earth.